Turlock Irrigation District is the first irrigation district established in California, and we're one of only 4 today that serve water and power. TID's mission has continued to be the same mission that we've had since our inception, and that's to provide affordable, reliable, safe electricity and irrigation water to our customers.
Going into the future, we're going to need as much data as possible in order to inform our decisions to adapt to our changing climate.
Don Pedro is about a 2 million acre-foot reservoir, and we rely on snowpack in the Tuolumne River watershed to fill our reservoir every year. Maximizing every drop that we have is our goal and our mission.
When we're trying to understand what's going on in the watershed, we'll snowshoe in or snow ski in to 17 locations on the watershed, and we'll measure the snow at those 17 locations. What we're talking about today is flying an airplane over and literally taking a picture of the entire watershed. It is pointing a laser from the airplane down to the ground, scanning the watershed, developing a 3-dimensional relationship of what's going on up in the watershed with respect to the snowpack, as opposed to, say, 17 locations.
NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory developed a new way to study snowpack in watersheds called the Airborne Snow Observatory, or ASO. ASO uses LiDAR and imaging spectrometers to scan the mountains to give water managers an accurate picture of how much snow is in the watershed and indicate when that snow might run off. The Tuolumne River watershed was selected as one of the first in the world to pilot this technology. Before the ASO program, we had forecasts that had over 30% of error. And now with the ASO program, we've reduced that error down to 3%. We fly multiple times in the winter to track the accumulation and melting of the snowpack to determine the depth and density of the snow and its impact on Don Pedro Reservoir going into the irrigation season. Having this information, which has proven within 97% accurate, enables TID to better manage operations and benefits water supply, flood control, and environmental impacts.
We know where the snow is, as opposed to guessing where the snow is and how much is up there. So instead of 17 measurements, we're looking at over 3 billion measurements. Because of that, we can make exacting decisions that we would otherwise not be able to do.
TID is not the only agency that's seeing benefits from this technology. There's groups such as CAL FIRE, which is using it to look at forest management, as well as the National Weather Service looking at distribution of precipitation, as well as the National Park Service, which is looking at glacial movement.
The state-of-the-art technology has already made a major impact in the operations of the Turlock Irrigation District. It will continue to be the governing factor of our operations. What we're going to get out of this in the future, the sky is the limit. The technology has already proven itself.
TID is looking to use technology and data into every decision that we make with water moving forward into the future. It's important to be accurate and certain in a field where there's so many uncertainties. We understand the importance of water to the region. It's been the economic backbone, and we hope that it will continue to be.